Hey, what's up? This is Ty, and I've got a box of 2008 Donruss Gridiron gear. It is always a great product from year to year, in my opinion. The first box I got last year, I got a Joseph Fadai autographed jersey card out of 10, Next Generation, so a very nice card, and some nice patches. Just a very good product year to year, in my opinion. So I ordered the first one this year, just came out, and we'll see how it is. Alright, here we go. Pops out, I guess it goes like that for display. So we'll set it up in the nice little display there. We got a checklist in front, as always with Donruss products. And we'll get into the packs. Some things to look for in here that are always popular and always sell good are the Gridiron gems. The pull-out jersey autographs are very nice. I think those are the base rookie card autographs, but the gems always do well. And I also like the NFL team and rookie team autographs with the little helmets, and the football field autographs. Those are nice too. My favorite rookie this year is probably Chris Johnson, so I'm looking for either a New York Giant or a Chris Johnson card. So we'll start right here and see how this box is. There are 18 packs that have an SRP of 6, I think. Said that in the Beckett. And yes, it looks like there's a filler in this pack. So they do have fillers. Torrey Holt, Ryan Grant right there, one of my top 4 favorite players. There's the filler. Joseph Fadai, Mark Bulger, and a Calvin Johnson. 5 cards per pack. There's the first pack. Number 2. And the averages, the rates for these boxes, you get 3 autographs or memorabilia and at least 1 autograph. This one has another filler, Plaxico Burress, Derek Anderson, cardboard filler, David Garrard, Carnell Cadillac Williams, Amon Green, and that's pack 2. This one does not have a filler. That has a thick jersey card in it. So we'll bring the back ones around and see the base first. Vernon Davis, Selvin Young, Ben Roethlisberger, Rudy Johnson, Lavernius Coles, and that is the back of the card. So we'll turn it around. Very nice. A Gridiron gem right there. From the start, Eddie Royal, who is probably the best receiver in this year's class. It is a jersey and a football, very nice, with the Wilson W there. The little bitty W from the Wilson. I think there's only 1 per ball. That's the second one I've got this year. I had a Ray Rice one too from Absolute. So that's a very nice prime piece of football and a jersey card there. It is numbered 50 of 50. Very nice. The last one, 50 of 50 numbering. So a nice Eddie Royal Gridiron gems there as my first hit. Starting off good so far. Had that gem. Another cardboard filler here. Jay Cutler, Kevin Curtis, Larry Johnson, Dion Branch, and John Kitna. Whoa, this one is not a filler. It looks like, oh yes, it is a filler too. Just has an extra card. No, it does not have an extra card in there. It's just some kind of insert card. It does have the filler. Sorry about that. Marion Barber the third, Brian Westbrook. There's that filler. It's a Joe Montana Performers card, 69 of 250. Nice insert. Joey Galloway, Andre Johnson, another filler. Kellen Winslow Jr., Justin Fargas, Terrence Wheatley rookie card, 141 of 999. Clinton Portis, Fred Taylor. Another filler. Devin Hester, Brandon Jacobs, Ronnie Brown, Marshawn Lynch, Lawrence Maroney, another filler. Mark Clayton, Randy Moss, an insert card, Clinton Portis and Marion Barber, Rivals, 438 of 500. Santonio Holmes, and Edgerrin James. One more pack on this half. And whoa, yeah, it is. It's very skinny. I don't know if this has the autograph or what, but it has no thick card, jersey, or filler. Just 5 regular size cards. Jamarcus Russell, Terrell Owens, Ali Highsmith, 964 of 999, Matt Hasselbeck, and Brandon Marshall. So just 5 regular base. That's the first one without a filler or jersey. So I don't know. There are 9 left, the other half of the box. And yes, they are all fat, thick packs, so I don't know. In recent years, I don't think every pack had fillers, like half of them, but I don't know. In my box, every single pack so far has, except for one. Another filler, Antonio Gates, Michael Turner, Randy Moss, Blue X, 2 of 25. Nice Platinum X there. I got a Randy Moss Platinum X or 01 in last year's, and in 06 I got a Platinum out of 25 Randy Moss X or O. So that's just a running thing with Gridiron gear for me. Phillip Rivers, Jarius Norwood. Another filler. Frank Gore, Derek Mason, Hines Ward, Anquan Bolden, and John Beck.